Attribute peculiar nature. Hit the like button. Bring you another 5 topic. Self-quality. When you have possessed self-quality, you're able to extract out and being self-involved or the experiences that says you journeyed through and it became a knowledge, understanding, and wisdom that you've been conjured to edify self, the self-qualities that you have. Being challenged by a certain situation makes you search deep down, dive deep down into your spirit and pull and extract out the attributes because of the challenge. That's what challenging you is all about. The challenge. The challenge. The challenge makes you go find and go deep of who you are. When you're self-involved and once you find those talents and you're able to use those talents as it being a knowledge and it being an understanding and it being a wisdom that you know how to utilize those attributes in certain situations, certain times that you have is called from you. Not being self-sabotaging self, keeping yourself from things, withdrawing yourself. You have to have a self-love about yourself, a strength, showing who you are at the time, in the moment that's who you are. Not lying, no situation, nothing to allow you to put yourself down. You represent who you are. That's your self-love, showing a knowledge of self. When you had showing your knowledge, edifying and showing yourself to others as a knowledge and representing. This is my self-love. Not because you challenged by something and because of that person, I'm saying something like that. Self-love is not being selfish. That's not self-love. Withdrawing yourself. I'm gonna love myself over here. This is myself. I can do what I want to do. But when you have that type of, that's not no self-love. That's not self-love. That's arrogancy. You know what I'm saying? You can be, you can be that. That's being selfish. Selfish have those type of attributes, you know what I'm saying? Selfish have